welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we talk about the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court will be hearing the Krishna water dispute case on March 14. Supreme Court directs several North Indian states to apprise court as to winter plans for shelter for urban unhoused persons. Supreme Court issues notice on petition challenging the prohibition of unmarried single women from accessing the benefits of surrogacy. Over 26% posts of judicial officers lying vacant in subordinate judiciary in 6 states, Supreme Court was told. How one treats a woman gives insight into his upbringing and personality, Kerala High Court says. The Supreme Court will continue hearing the plea seeking directions to the Jal Shakti Ministry to notify the final award passed by the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal on March 14, 2022. The award was passed by the tribunal on 29th of November 2013. The tribunal in its award outlined the exact shares for water distribution between Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. A division bench of the Supreme Court, comprising Justices Ravindra Bhatt and Dipankar Datta, while hearing a batch of petitions regarding the right of shelter of urban unhoused persons, directed the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar to apprise the court of their winter plans and temporary measures for the urban homeless people. Advocate Prashant Bhushan, representing the petitioners, insisted that every North Indian state submit a status report, and the bench accepted his contentions and made the direction to the states. The Supreme Court issued a notice on a plea challenging Section 2S of the Surrogacy Regulation Act of 2021 to the extent that it excludes unmarried women from the ambit of the definition of intending woman. A bench comprising Justice Ajay Rastogi and Justice Bela M. Trivedi was apprised with the facts that the petitioner had already undergone an egg extraction surgery, and while she was in search of a surrogate, the legislature, which restricted her rights, came into force. The petition emphasized that marital status of an individual cannot be a marker for classification and that it was violative of Articles 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India, as well as international instruments. The Supreme Court has been informed about over 26% of the 7,881 sanctioned posts of judicial officers lying vacant in the subordinate judiciary of 6 states. The affidavit filed in the Apex Court by Senior Advocate Vijay Hansaria, one of the 4 amicus curiae in a matter related to filling of vacancies in subordinate judiciary, has given the status of vacancies and necessary infrastructure in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana. Boys should be taught that they should not touch a girl or woman without her explicit consent, and this lesson should be imparted to them at schools and families, the Kerala High Court has said. Lessons in good behavior and etiquette must be part of the curriculum at least from the primary class level, the court has observed. Taking note of the rise in sexual harassment cases in the society, it said boys should understand that phrase no means no and urged the society to teach them to be selfless and gentle rather than selfish and entitled. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all legal news.